course, a visit down south cannot be accomplished without visiting Mark's friends in Mississippi. But first, we decided to stop and have a hearty breakfast. Now, when I last visited last August, the lady of the house was just beginning to get chickens, and she's turned into quite the crazy chicken lady, so I hear. That's what the family calls her, and she's got quite the setup.
Well, it looks like she has progressed and has a whole lot more chickens. She tells me there's a young ones in this group as well, and many different kinds. And the roosters are kept separate, and she's probably got about 10 roosters, different kinds, different breeds. So, and she's hatching eggs as well. So, gone from never having had chickens, or, since being a child with her mom, to become the crazy chicken lady. And of course, when I was back here in August, they were just building this chicken hut. And she's got a few ducks here. And I don't know what she's keeping in this one. Nothing at the moment.
And this is just another clip from the Coldwater Trades Day Market.
Hey, how you doing? Yes, sir.
That was my wife. She's a cast iron
Uh-oh. You getting a picture with it?
Yeah.
That's
Yeah,
cool.
just in case I have to double back, right?
I get a few Griswold, and most of my stuff I try to buy to resale. I don't clean it up.
Yeah, no, that's fine. I know how to clean
It's
them.
labor intense.
Yeah.
And I try to buy some. I bought some pretty nice ones there.
Yeah.
But I could probably clean them up and get a few more bucks out
It's
of them.
okay, I clean them up myself.
Do you know how to do it?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
Awesome.
we built an electrolysis tank last year for a piece machine. She picked up and
And then you can do a lot of scrubbing, too.
it didn't look like it was painted, but you could tell when it went in the oven. Oh, there's paint on that one.
I believe this one here. What if you tell me anything about that? I think it's an emerald. I'm not sure. I think it's a coating coming off.
Oh, yeah, it is.
I don't know what brand it is, but it's just
Yeah, no,
heavy.
this is,
It's a pretty pan, but
it's never been, oh, yeah, that just has to be re-stripped totally, down to nothing.
look, you just take it off and use the pan. I don't even have the
Actually, I think you're going to have a hard time stripping this because of the,
baked enamel.
yeah, that's going to be your
I thought,
issue.
well, somebody could use it, or a lot of guys will take them for crack and they'll buy them from me, and
Oh,
they'll make
really?
spatulas out of them.
Oh,
But it didn't crack. But I said, well, I'll try to
yeah,
sell it.
after that, they're
That's right. And
useless as is.
a lot of guys, I got one left, and he got.
Well, we spent the evening and the next day with our friends from Mississippi, and we promised to come back the next morning to say goodbye. And of course, that was a hard goodbye. It took 2 hours and all kinds of pulling in order to make it happen. Anyway, it could be a long time before we're back again.